And overflow blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We're now at Exodus chapter 39 and verse 1 up to verse 7. Beautiful freshly clothes were made of blue, purple, and red wool for Aaron to wear when he performed his duties in the holy place. This was done exactly as the Lord had commanded Moses. The priest, the entire priestly vest was made of fine linen woven with blue, purple, and red wool. Thin sheets of gold were hammered out and cut into threads that were skillfully woven into the vest. It had two shoulder straps to support it and as such that fastened around the waist. Onyx stones were placed in gold settings, and each one was engraved with the name of one of Israel's sons. Then these were attached to the shoulder straps of the vest. So the Lord would never forget his people. Everything was done exactly as the Lord had commanded Moses. So in this passage, what they are doing here is the apparel for the priests. And yes, it is full of decoration, full of precious metals, and even the materials and the design is directly a command from God. Meaning, God is fully aware of the needs of the priests. And of course, the design and the materials that was used in that apparel or in those apparels were also a representation of the what the priest is designed to do. And yes, part of the responsibility of being a priest is to be an intercessor for the nation of Israel. So so God is fully aware that the priest must be the representative for the 12 tribe of Israel. That's why the 12 tribes were written there at that best.